Hi friend, Marian here. So ito na share natin sa inyo our book sale ho sa Robinsons in Iloilo. So galing tayo sa Iloilo. So it's a dream journal oh. Bought it at 420 pesos pero yan, it's how to you document your dreams. Ayan ang kanyang cover. Dream journal. Ayan po. So, it talks about how to use your dream journal. So, with what I read, you have to write and remember your dreams. So, dapat kasama mo daw siya parate. Sabi niya, depositing dreams in your memory bank. Tips for remembering your dreams. Yan, medyo dark eh. Hindi natin masyadong. Before you go to bed, start telling yourself that you want to have a good dream. Yan, we can tell pala that we have a good dream, sweet dream. Sabi nga, when you wake up, notice how you are feeling. Yan, tapos keep your journal by your bedside so you can write when you wake up. So yan yung mga tips niya. So may mga prompts siya, then you have to write your thoughts. Meron pa siyang mind maps. Very, very great to find from book sale in Robinsons Iloilo. Ayan. The perfect solution. Sabi nga yung iba, parang write your dreams para yung ibang answers that you are looking for, you will find it in your dreams. So, document natin. Minsan lang po nakakatakot mag-document kasi minsan parang dun lumalabas yung scary dreams mo when you try to record. So, let's try again to document our dreams. So, ayan, medyo, not that clear yung natin yung lights natin So, when we go up, we can share with you yung mga ibang prompts or stories we can write because of the prompts, no? Ayan, meron siyang that you can write. Medyo maliit yung mga font niya, so hard for us to read here. Dapat sa maliwanag na area. Yan. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.